Okay, real talk lang tayo ha. Kung mang bumili ng mga mamahaling gamit like bags, clothes, shoes, etc. Tapos, hindi mo naman sila nagagamit, tapos naka-stock lang sila sa iyong closet, even once hindi mo sila ginamit, may tag price pang mayan. In return, ano yung nakuha mo doon? Wala. You wasted your money buying things na wala namang bumalik sa iyong pera. Gumastos ka lang, di ba? So, my point is, why not the money you wasted buying some things that you didn't need, invest mo na lang dito sa online business which is only $149. Na, pag in-invest mo yung pera mo dito which is only $149, ano ba yung makukuha mo dito sa online business? Of course, you can start your business, you can get commission, incentive income, and bonus. Kasi habang dito sa online business, pataas ka ng pataas, pataas din ng pataas ang iyong income. Tapos dito, no fixed income pa yun ha. Depende, how you work your business, how you handle your business. Ganon. So, sa panahon ngayon, kailangan nating maging smart when it comes to money. We don't need to buy things that we don't need. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, nagmahalan na mga lahat ng mga bilihin, lahat-lahat na. So, kailangan nating magkaroon ng another source of income, which is ito yung online business. Instead of buying something that you didn't need it and you're wasting your money, why not to invest here in online business, which is only $149? Kasi imaginein mo ha, pag nag-set here in online business, marami kang makukuha dito. Not only money, marami kang matututunan dito, magiging learn something. Magkakaroon ka ng tunan dito kung paano mo i-handle itong pera mo. And then, when you get that income, okay, whatever you want, you can do whatever you want, you can buy whatever you want, you can travel anytime you want. Kasi, may pumapasok sa iyong income. Unlike before na pag nakuha mo na yung sahod mo, hala sige ano ba yun? Bili dito, bili doon, ay bili dito. You're wasting money. In return, wala ka namang makukuha. O dito sa online business, pag nag-invest ka dito ng $149, you can do whatever you want. Okay, you can buy anything you want, etc. At least may pumapasok sa yung pera, 'di ba? So, 'di ba mas maganda iyon? So, think about it.